Hey guys, your girl here, Tanisha at workwithtanisha.com. So I'm just going to give you the summer package for total life changes. So if you're on my channel for the first time, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you make a comment. Now, if you're into health and wellness and you want to lose 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, then you might as well learn how to leverage your weight loss, right? So a lot of people lose weight and they don't know how to monetize that. They don't know how to make money from them losing weight. TLC allows you to lose weight and make money all at the same time. So the summer package goes like this. You're going to get 2 months supply of tea. Okay, so I'm going to break it down for you. I'm going to break the money down so you guys can understand, all right? So you're going to get 2 months supply of tea, which is 10 packs of tea. Okay, you're going to get 2 NutriBursts. Okay, 2 NutriBursts, all right? And then you're going to get NRG. Now, the pills don't look like this, okay? You're going to get 2 bottles of NRG, which is 60 pills. The NutriBurst is a 30-day supply. Now, the NRG can be a 2-month supply. It can be a 30-day supply, depending on how often you're taking it, okay? And then this is also a 2-month supply. So the summertime, only lasts about 2 months, about 7, or 8 weeks. So if you decide to get involved with Total Life Change on the summer pack, right, which is $300, you will get 2 months supply of tea, right? 2 months supply of NutriBurst, 2 months supply of NRG, all right? And this is a summer package, okay? A summer package. So they only doing this for the summertime, okay? So now you get involved, right? You pay your $300 to get involved with Total Life Changes for the summer, right? You decide, I want to start losing some weight. I want to start, losing some pounds. I want to be able to sleep better. I want to be able to feel better. The NutriBurst gives you a ton, of energy. 1 capsule is like eating 10 salads. So if you want to boost yourself, if you want to boost your health and you want to invest in your health, then you would get started on the summer pack, which is $300, okay? So it's a one-time investment of $300, and then your auto ship can be anywhere from $50 to $150 every month, because now every month you can be getting these products, right, on your auto ship. NRG, NutriBurst, and tea on your auto ship every single month. See, in business, you have to have product coming in, or you have to be a product of the product, especially with Total Life Changes. You have to be a product of the product, whether you're drinking the coffee, whether you taking the NutriBurst, whether you're taking the NRG, the coffee, the tea, whether you're losing weight, you're sleeping better, you're feeling better, your mind is clearer, whatever it is, friends, you become a product of the product, so you can become your own testimonial, your own walking billboard, and now you don't have to try to convince people that this stuff works, because they're going to see you and they're going to ask you, what have you been doing to either lose weight, feel better, look better, help your skin, clear up. Right now I don't have no makeup on. My face is just clear, right? Because I take the NutriBurst, I use the, emu oil, I use the Gano for my face, and I use the Chaga also for my face as a facial, right? So you get involved with Total Life Changes, right, today, $300, okay? Whoever you sign up under, of course, I want you to sign up under me. I'll make $150, right? I'll make $150. How TLC works is that you get a 50% commission for everybody that starts. So say today, you get started for $300, I'll make $150. You help 2 other people get started for $300, you'll make $150. So that means you'll make your $300 investment back. Now moving forward, you're damn near running a free business, okay? So how does this money work? So you pay $300 to get started for the summer pack. This is only for summer 18 pack, right? Now you got 10 packs of tea, okay? Now, of course, you want to be a product of the product. So you want to keep 1 bottle of NutriBurst for yourself, 1 bottle for yourself, and you want to keep at least 1 bottle of NRG for yourself. So now you got 1 bottle of NRG, 1 bottle of NutriBurst left, and then you want to keep at least 4 packs of tea for yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be your month supply for 4 weeks to detox, cleanse, go to the bathroom, start losing weight so that you can be a billboard, right? So you're taking this daily, you're taking the NRG daily, you're taking the NutriBurst daily, okay? So those are yours, right? So now you got 6 packs left with a bottle of NutriBurst, with a bottle of NRG. Each pack of tea, you literally can sell for $20. So this is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. So you literally can now go make $120 cash on these 6 packs of tea. Do you know 6 friends right now? You can text 6 friends and say, who do you know? Do you, anybody you know, want to lose 5 pounds in 5 days? Text 20 of your people in your phone, and I can guarantee at least 5 to 10 of them will reply and say, yes, me, what do you have? You're going to tell them you have this tea. Okay, it costs $20. You got the tea coming. You just started drinking it. You started going to the bathroom. You started losing weight. And you want them to also try it as well. So it's only $20. You get the $20. Now you have that with 6 of your people. You made $120. Okay, for a business you just started for $300. Okay. Now you will have your bottle of NRG, right? You have your 1 bottle of NRG, which is 30 pills, okay? 1 bottle of NRG, friends, can go anywhere from $50 to $75, okay? Now, of course, if you're just first starting, people are not going to know anything about the NRG, right? Your people are not going to know anything about NRG, okay? So they're going to be like, well, what is NRG, right? So what you can do is, just like they have these little packages here for 2, we have these packages, right, which is 2, but you won't get these packages. You'll get a bottle. Just don't have the bottle right now. You'll get a bottle with 30 pills in it. But what you can do is you can sell 2 for $5 or 2 for $10, right? So you can do whatever you want to do, okay? You can do whatever you want to do. So if you want to sell 2 for $5, right, you can tell people how you're feeling, about it. You can tell people how, having all the energy that you need. It also suppresses your appetite up to 3 hours. It also burns, 300 calories. So say you have a coworker that needs energy. You can sell 2 of them to your coworker for $5. Okay? 2 pills, $5. Friends, you made $30. Okay? 2 pills, right? $5, right? You made $30 if you're selling 2 pills to 15 people. Okay, that's $30, $40, $50 right there. So from the tea, you made $120. Then from the pills alone, just from the pills, friends, alone, right? You made another $30, $40. That's $100. Okay, that's $170, friends, that you can go make cash now. Just right after you join Total Life Changes, you could go make $170 cash. Now, remember, you still have 1 bottle of NutriBurst left, right? Now, also too, you may know somebody that's low on iron. They may be low on calcium. They may be, low on all these different things that we need to help our body grow. Okay, you can sell this 1 bottle anywhere, friends, from $40 to $65. You can sell this bottle anywhere from $40 to $65. Find one of your friends that's supportive. Okay, one of your friends that's supportive who don't take vitamins. Tell them about it, right? Tell them about the NutriBurst, and you can sell it to them for $40. Okay? You can tell them $40 to $65, whatever you want to do. Okay, so you done already made $170. Now you're selling this for $40 to $65, friends. That's another $210 that you made in your business you just started. So truthfully, you only got started in your business for $90. Right? If you use the strategy that I'm doing, if I'm telling you, right? You only literally just started the business for $90. Now, if you know 2 people, also 2 that want to get involved with the opportunity, right? You can send them to the opportunity call, let them get involved. They pay $300 also. They use the same strategy. They duplicate the same thing that you're doing. Now you made $300 in TLC back office, and you done made $210 cash offline. So your first month, friends, you done made $510 just by starting a business in your first week. powerful, friends. I made over 80 grand in TLC in the last 3 years, part-time, lost over 75 pounds with TLC, friends, in 3 years. I'm hooked on the NRG. I'm hooked on the NutriBurst. I'm hooked on the coffee. I love the Gano. I love the Chaga. I love the Chewy. Okay, I love the hair, skin, and nails. That Total Life Changes has. TLC also has an immune oil that helps with eczema and help clear your skin. I absolutely love those products. I've been hooked on TLC products. My aunt, I got her hooked on the NutriBurst and the Gano. Okay, I got my grandmother hooked on the coffee. My husband's hooked on the tea and the NutriBurst. My kids, I make them take the NutriBurst. Okay, I have cousins who's hooked on the tea. Okay, so at the end of the day, friends, okay, if you're really truly looking for opportunity, I always tell people, don't look for jobs, but look for opportunities to win. I just gave you a simple layout, friends, on how you can make $510 your first week from joining TLC, right? From joining TLC for the $300 summer pack, because this is not a normal pack. You're going to take this away once summer's over. So you don't want to end up paying more for it. So this is actually a deal. 2 bottles of NutriBurst, 2 bottles of NRG, and 10 packs of tea. You keep 4 for yourself, or you might want to keep, 2. You might want to keep 3. Whatever you don't keep, you can now go sell. Right? Now, when you're taking the NutriBurst, you can also give your husband some, your wife some. You can give your kids some, because it's also help with mental clarity. Kids age, 8? I think 8 or 9 years old can start taking NRG. Right? A lot of kids that have ADHD need the NRG. Okay? People that lack, their nails, I used to have terrible nails. My nails used to chip all the time, and I used to have terrible cuticles. Not until I started drinking this NutriBurst and drinking that tea. Okay, now I have healthy nails, and taking the hair, skin, and nails, I have healthier nails now. Okay, so like I said, friends, don't look for jobs where you gotta try to sell yourself to people. Look for opportunities. Okay, so you get 2 people also want to join for $300. You make $150 each, right? You make 50% of what they do. Now with TLC, you also get a website. Okay, you get a website, which also now whoever goes to your website and buys a bottle of NutriBurst or buy a 5-pack of tea, you're getting 50% of that. And then those 2 people that you got in, now they binary qualified you, meaning you got to be binary qualified in order to unlock the residual income. Just today, TLC sent me another $150 just today, simply because it's my residual, because I'm binary qualified. And this is every week. Okay, whether I sell tea offline, whether I'm selling tea online, this is every doggone week. Okay, this is a weekly thing. TLC pays weekly, or if you want to do the cash, TLC can pay you cash. Now you're binary qualified. Now you be getting a residual, and whatever your 2 teammates do in their business, now you get 10 to 25% of what they do, and then of course you get a 50% check match on what they do as well. Right? So this is an overall business, friends, health and wellness. If you want to start losing weight, why not get paid to do what you was already going to do? Just get the natural products, right? The tea is natural, the NRG is natural, the NutriBurst is natural. So there's no rocket science here, friends. There's no hoping and wishing and praying. There's no heart palpitations. The only thing I'm going to tell you about this tea, if you're not near a toilet when you're drinking this tea, you're in trouble. Okay, now it's not gonna start slipping out your butt, the doo-doo. No, it's not. But what's gonna start to happen is your stomach is gonna start to break down, because the tea breaks down the junk, the parasites, the toxins that's inside of your colon. So by default now, it's easier for you now to go to the bathroom. Okay, so I absolutely love it. So this is the summer pack. This is an opportunity, friends, of a lifetime. If you're thinking about extra income, then let's do Total Life Changes. Let's not get another job where you got to sell yourself to people who you don't like. Got to travel somewhere where you don't like, where you could do it from the comfort of your basement. I'm in my basement right now. You could do it from the comfort of your home. You could do it from your car. You could do it, from your job. You could do it from your church. Okay, that's why I love business, because you could do it anywhere. You could do it from the doctor's office. You could do it from your child's recital. Okay? You could do it from anywhere, friends. You could do it from anywhere in the world. TLC is worldwide, 150 countries, okay? So at the end of the day, friends, this is a summer pack, $300 once, and then you stay on a auto ship between $40 and $150 a month, so you can get all 3 products every single month, or you just want 1 product, you want 2 products, whatever you want to do, friends, okay? To make sure that when you do lose weight, you keep it off and you keep keeping the weight off. It's not rocket science, friends. It's not rocket science, okay? It's all about you getting started. I just showed you literally in 1 week, friends, you can make $510 if you're serious, okay? If you get in and all you hope. No, you get in, right? You get your product. It comes to you in about a couple days. You get your product. You start taking the tea immediately. You start taking NRG immediately. You start taking the NutriBurst immediately, friends. And then you start sharing your results. Once you join, though, you're going to text 20 of your friends. And you're going to say, do you anybody you know want to lose 5 pounds in 5 days and make an extra $250 a week? Or who do you anybody you know want to lose 5 pounds in 5 days? Or if you have business savvy friends, who do you know want to make an extra $250 a week? It's very simple, guys. It's very, very simple. I train people on all this stuff, on how to talk to people and, how to prospect and, all these different things. Friends, at the end of the day, if you keep looking for jobs, you're going to keep going through this fucking cycle of hoping and praying every night. You praying every night for something to happen. And then you praying every morning for something to happen. I just gave you something to do to make happen. Simple as that, friends. Simple as that. So Total Life Changes got the summer pack. 2018 summer pack for Total Life Changes, the Get Fit Summer Kit. Let's get it, friends. See you soon.